Hey developers, welcome back to this new video. And in this video, we're gonna see about we're gonna solve a problem from Leetcode, which is called palindrome number. And let me say what a palindrome is. A palindrome is something it reads the same backward as forward. You can see this number 121. It is 121 even if we reversed it. So whereas 123 is not. If we reverse it, we get 321. I mean 321. Yes. So it's not a palindrome. That's what a palindrome is. So here we are given a number which is an integer, and we have to say whether it's a palindrome or not. And for that we can do it here, which is like we have to change that into string so that it will be easy to iterating. And we have a left item, so we are using while loop here. So we are using two pointers here, like two variables. First left, so it will point 0, like it will start from index 0, and the right, and it will start from the last element of the string. Like if 121 is used, the left is this one and the right is this one. So len of s minus 1 will be the last element. So let's start a while loop, and here, and while left less than right, when it's greater than or equal to right, it will stop the loop. So let's check. What we are doing is here, it's very simple. We are just checking whether the both are equal or not. Like if it's a palindrome, it will be equal, so with s of right. Yeah, so it's just a string, so we are just iterating through it, and we are checking whether it's equal or not, that each and every element in the, if it's not equal, we return false. And we are incrementing the left by 1 because we are starting from here and we are incrementing and going like this. And we use right, like decrementing it by 1, because right starts from here and goes all the way to leftwards, and left travels from left to right. Yeah, so after the loop, if we can produce the result as true, because the numbers are equal, so it's a palindrome, it must be a palindrome. So let's run the code and check whether it's correct or not. I hope it will work. Yeah, it's working. So 120 is palindrome. So let me give any other test cases, like 1 3 4 5, again 4 3 1. So it's a palindrome. Let me check that. Yeah, it's showing true, it's correct. Let me check another number, another random number which is not a palindrome. We expect a false. Yeah, it's false, so it's accepted. Let me submit it so that we can know that all the test cases, yeah, it's passed all the test cases, it's success. So thanks for watching, and if you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe and like this video if you like it, and let me meet in another video. Thank you.